Hello everyone, ngapiyang sa bahay pibaro sa isin para kini YouTube channel zonga. Pwede po niya paplapan easy YouTube videos kita zonga, but kami penslamig po. In po yung next topic, that is exercise 5.1. Zonga chapter 5 ma. Ko ang kuno kanika exercise ko ang kani number 1 ko ang in which of the following situation does the list of numbers involved numbers involved make an arithmetic progression and why? Ko ang kuno nakiniki ay ki following situations kat dubangi pulih sa pulihan niya kung kuno nakiniya kanu kata kabapan EU bapan ika ay ka arithmetic progression kanu kata bapan EU AP o a bapan form and why ka form ru medium tip first and foremost balay ka form AP kan mau lada why balay you sana da o common difference ki ulang kumjo da common difference ki kata ka reason jang pi ba o form kay arithmetic progression Okay, tangin page kani number 1 minta ko ang number 1 ko ang the taxi fare after each kilometer. Ko ang kata taxi fare after each kilometer when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and 8 for each additional kilometer. Di hang ni kamol ay. Let's say minta ang p. Pilit jingden nang ni man kapor let's say na yin jong p. Siya kata ka destination ba pilit man kapor. Let's say siya po school. Pilit man kasi nang ni siya to. Let's say kaday katsaning ka. Katsaning kabin mo kata taxi fare means ka taxi fare jang fee ka langom ta te hadin ko angom no pa de like ko angno when the fare is rupees 15 and for each 8 pa de teman ta siya bo let's say piat tam siya to piat tam na handet to pa de piat tam kumba let's say 6 kilometer additional each kilometer mo that means nang ni siya niya maybe let's say kaday whatever kilometer it is tam ka de katsan mit mo tingka te pile ya tam 6 kilometer kad ba pidang ya 6 kilometer ya tam yam kanday bikan no kanday pratingka kala ong mo tingin na ikum no first how EP mentatang nang ning na ya banyo EP ni tip a first and foremost klam na puli a further hin advantem yan ni exercise 5.1 ta number 1 tingin na ikum no ngide bentim yo EP ubening kong undi kan no first EP undi kan no unday 15. So what about the next pade kan mau pinne kom no ngong EP kat do pidang ya tam 6 kilometer hable kom no hable A plus U where this is A plus U ngitip ning kong A comma A plus U A plus D mentahan ni dekat nomon o common difference ani unday 8 balay unday 8 namar ni sitip o common difference means kat tarang tam utaw ba mi tam pra utaw ni be common difference tementang itip ani A plus 2D where honey A dekat no di 15 comma A di 15 plus 8 ni 15 plus 2 into 8 tekan kalakat no hani 15 comma 15 plus 8 tam along sa katlong kat no 23 the 2 8 akat no 2 8 are 16 plus 15 long kat no long 31 mot ki AP jungi dekat no di uni AP jungi nilaman to 15 23 plus 31 comma next ben dekat no plus bang 8 that is 39 and so on then ang tong ilayo AP the whether ni hapet why pa de form on AP does it really form on AP how will we know ba uday siya AP ken ma min simyo uni ba yun ni di A1 ni di A2 A3 ba ni di A4 okay ngin simyo A2 minus A1 that is udi mo niya A2 minus A1 which is equal to kat no A2 di 23 minus 15 which is equal to kat no the minus sasa 8 tingin check niya sa uwi that is A3 minus A2 A3 di kat no di 31 minus 23 kalong kat no kaniro ang Friday the hence nilaban ang balay yo why kaday because since they're common difference therefore since they're common difference kanong no since their common difference is the same we can say it forms an EP more okay now I hope so bila sa tuig ato tingin po sa kan next that is ka number 2 per kaong kumnoin let's read it Kaong, the amount of air present in a cylinder when a vacuum pump removes 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. The in simple term kaong kumno, kadon kata amount of air means kadon kata ka air, kabadon ha ka ay, kabadon ha ka cylinder, okay? Te kaong kumno, when a vacuum pump means pump ni kata ka vacuum, ka remove 1/4 of the air remaining. Jong kata ka air, kabadon ha ta ka pump in the cylinder at a time. The in simple term kamot iyo, kaya pinta tayo pi. So let's say menta kadang kata ka cylinder kemudian ke gas kadang chispa. Let's say kadang chispa. The ong kumno ke gas ke ong kala remove kadang chispa. Hadin pada deka vacuum cleaner, deka vacuum a vacuum pump. Ni shim kata ka vacuum pump, ni remove. Ka remove ka no ka air na kata ka remove 1/4. That means kan long minus. Denam day minus kan wa remove there. Lebih ong ba add man ba a shushu ka lang shushu then ong plus. Haba kala remove means minus. Remove you 1/4. Dapat menta kam day rekom ni pada bangin thok mo. Nama bela you kam day bangin thok kom ni. Kadai 100 ang kata ka gas total gas kadang chispa. They didn't eat the body chispa. Tamba this is not the right form and thok bela you. Nama kanika 1/4 of the gas kala sya remove na kay. Kala sya remove na kanika chispa dinam day. Ningkong tepek an batay bang pi pen gas like lumah. Ningkong ka gas kadang gas ningkong kadang chispa. Dinam day. Di lada kadang chispa te minta ngom no kala sya remove 1/4 te kanika 1/4 kala sya remove na kanika chispa denam dai tinggal aban ongkom no mod 100 kala sya remove na ka kanika 1/4 kala sya remove na ka naka 100 okay ilaban ongkom ta okay te minta ilaban wat kat no kata ka gas kala sya remove denam dai ilaban cross multiply ni whatever we get te minta let's say minta kala remove 70% of it. Okay, kalau remove kadang sang nyopo, kadang nak sang nyopo, kadang cuci spa, kadang sang nyopo. Teka next pada EP pinlak benek kamu. Pinjam nak minus, nak ka 1/4 kan cara remove ya. Nak 4 kan cara remove kan. Cara remove cuci spa, kadang cuci ningkong tak kadang cuci spa, mentah ka sang nyopo. Let's just say okay. Mentah macam nyopo into kan nono 1/4. Teka nak kini nak yo MK EP. What about hang ni pada? Hang ni pada mentah. Do we know ka gas kadang hang ni? We don't know ka gas kat no. Deladak ngim tip bakadan kat no ka gas. Ken mau bet. Ni hab ne you. We have to let. In let kum no. Let. Inong. Let the number of air. Let the air. Let the air present. The air present in the cylinder. Let the air. Kata kala air kabadan ka cylinder. In the cylinder. BU. BX. Okay, they meant that way iping like yo. That is A1 then they. So what about how will we find the other? Think it tip back at no ningkong. Pangil ayo ip beningkong that is iping like yo. There you beningkong. Ip dekat no di X. The kumung yo itu second ip pada. Second iping itip lada kadon X ka gas. Itip bakadon kat no. Kat kum ka question mo kani according to question. Ko angum no. So bos mentau kat no ka gas kadon X ka gas. Dengan ayo kan cara remove na ka 1/4 na ka pada. Kam day 1/4 na ka 1/4 mo ang ip kan lang kum the way we right. 1/4 jong ka ni ka air ka badan. Dengan day 1/4 that is 1/4 in top. Mentang ila bana iyo hang ni can do calculations day. To na sini bit nak kuma. That is hang ni ni kum no. X minus X divided by 4. Dan ingin what iyo in what LCM di 4. Dan A ni in multiply by 4 that is 4X minus X. Kanong equal to kat no kanong 3X divided by 4. Tementang ila yung next AP that is 3X divided by 4. Tementang ang AP lada kat ni kala sya remove kadang mod ka gas kadang kala air ka sa hangin sang kat no. Ke air badan hapuk kan ni ka cylinder kadang sang kat no. Kadang sang 3X divided by 4. To what about dah ngala remove biang 1/4 na ka. Ter remove haduk benda lut kalong tak Tang ini remove kum no. Tepet mentah hang It's okay iman. Lada kadang sang 3X. Ngitip mentah kadang sang kat no. 3X divided by 4. Dia kan saya remove yang kali air. Dia nampak kan mak mga batay pihang ni. Lada kadatam sa inyo po. Yang sini auto number hi kan saya remove. Now to number hi kan saya remove 1/4. Dia nampak tinggal sini minus 3X divided by 4 into 1/4. Dengan kanya kan di 3X divided by 4 minus you 4 are 16 that is 3X. Tinggal buat LCM saya 16. 4 kan over 16 for 4 multiply by 3 long 4 3 are 12X minus Nikala 3X bet. Tika answer ni kan dekat no. Answer ni kan 9X divided by 16. Teman-teman layak sa way pat iti. Datang na kum tu nan kam dia filap not next also. Filap ben sim 9X divided by 16 then salek ben kum jui then into some 1/4 katuma filap ben kum tu 9X divided by 16 or filap ben wat natang nang ni. De in have check pada whether kadai nam day y balai kadai sya kan ke ep. How will we know whether kadai ep ni kam te? What we going to do is that in sim you difference. That is A2 minus A1. Where A2 dekat no A2 di 3X divided by 4 minus X. Dan ini pet hang ni ka answer ni ni So, ini what LCM di 4 that is 3X minus EU 4X. Di ka answer kan mi kan no hang ni ni minus 1x pula bentuk tang x le minus 1x kat rupi song tu divided by 4. Okay, since beli minus 4m terkadang I minus. Okay, that is next peding in a3 minus a2, where a3 dekat no a3 day 9x divided by 16 minus a minus, that is 3x divided by 4. Tinggal nak tip LCM ni dekat no 16. Yep, so pia nang banyak ni kat tu 16. 16 into kat no 9x be yang ni. Therefore into kat no 16 for 4. Then I 4 or for 3 I 12x. The answer jungi kan ni no minus 3x divided by 16. Tang nang tu ila I bakal along kum no ka answer jungi kam ul comment difference ki umlong kum jo. Since tingi lab nong bakum no ila nong ba kani this kani whatever ngi yo kani ki ep kam de ke yo kat kum kani kra situation kalau ong kum no. In which of the following situation does the list of numbers involve make an arithmetic? Tingin ong kum no kani number 2 kalau ong kum no, it doesn't make an arithmetic progression. Hence ngilab ong kum no. Hence it does not form an arithmetic progression. Then EP in simple term progression. Okay, I hope so you get it till there. Then the next question, that is number 3. The number 3 the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs rupees 150 for the first meter and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Ko ang kumnuhang niya, ko ang kadang kata cost of digging means kabati. Okay, digging kamot bati. The cost of digging a well means kimot shna kata ka well means kata ka babuom. Ko ang kumno kata ka dor jong kata bendik ya kata ka well kalong kumno. Mot every meter means shishi mitar kalong kumno. When it costs rupees 150. Kalong kumno kadang ka fixed price maybe da ngati shipo meter kanong hispasan po. For the first meter ko ang kumno. For the first meter, for the first meter, the piti kanya kanong kador kanong katno kanong sispa sanpo, okay? Kanong sispa sanpo kalau ong pa. Dalada kalong sispa sanpo si meter, to ko ong biang and rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. Kamun si meter tek kanong bet sispa sanpo, okay? Tambah kata pidang ti susu menta piti na sa armita. Armita kala kandunan o ka price day ken kala defti sa armita pede ka kozong pikan ne kanong sanpo. Kalong kum katu bangi dalet jing net ken maka ba ong epi dara pilet na school sa yen na yen rupi sa school ka de ka tik kador and the pitam no pitam no kanong no kandon ka price ba pitam dinam de yang ni kalong kum ju hang ni kalong ka number 3 ya hang ni ka number 3 ko ong kum no di bentem ka jing ko ong kadon kata dadang iti kadon kat no shimitar kalong bet chispa sanpo. Tiko ang kumno nada piti tam. That means sispa sanpo means shim plus ika ika sanpo. Na marbele example dengan ni pi kasing drop kan ma. Suppose mantanang ni hang ni ngati. Let's say ma. Let's say kanika deka kata ka bang muti. Let's say hang ni ngati ka deka no hang ni ngati am ka sispa sanpo. Tiko ang na shim tam yang sa shimitar kan ka price kan increase sa sanpo. Tada piti biang tam kan long biang am sanpo. Da piti tam biang kan long biang am sanpo. Tikat dang iyo kadang kiyo am ka dorang pi kada bidang ti tam kadang kiyo am ka dorang pi. Depende kam no pin plus denam day pin plus. Then whatever you get from here pin plus biang next denam day that is 200 plus 50. Kanong kano 250 means ko kada sispa sanpo. Piti biang kalong arspa. Da piti biang kalong no arspa sanpo. Denam day tetang to ila yo EP jungi unde kan no EP jungi unde 150, kani 200 and then 250. Te kom no ngintip whether kani ka form EP pero ngin shimi ka ka comment difference that is A2 minus A1. Okay, that is 200 minus 150 which is 50 and A3 minus A2 which is equal to 250 minus A2 so sorry 200. Okay, that is kani kanong 50. Therefore, nilaban you baka di ka form it creates an EP. Okay, the talk anto ko way. Pangit pa sa next, that is ka number 4 part. Ka number 4 ko ang kumno. Ka number 4 ko ang you the amount of money in the account every year. When rupees 10,000 is deposited at compound interest at 8% per annum. The first before fintip you should know this formula. Formula ay kata ka formula that is tip ka formula jong ka compound interest. Lada pitip ikaniam kanong very easy if pin solve ikanika iyuma kalong very easy. Temen ta ka formula jong compound interest kada kam no. Tingin to ang niya into principal, that is the amount equals to principal amount, that is 1 plus rate, whatever the rate is, rate divided by 100 kumtu ma. Rate. Rate means in percentage ka rate tekan David, 10%, 5%, whatever the rate is ma. Okay, where kani kadika ka principal amount, okay? Okay, tingin napit minta. Menta ka ongkom no ka jingkali. On the amount of money in the account every year means karon kata ka pisa ka ba usit tap ta ubri maybe whoever it is ongkom no ka amount of money in the account every year kalong mikat no 1 rupees 10,000 men kata karon kata ka pisa ba usit bo let's say mo 10,000 mo kaman no snam am kala sa ayu si po every year means si snam ni bila bandai kamno I mean si snam kan dai te kalong kom no si po 1000 kadon be ta account okay hakata account kadon be po 1000 man usnam te ka ongkom no is deposited at a compound interest. Tekam no kata ka pisa pada am ka badan 10,000 haka account. Kalong kum no man usnam am kala asya you deka compound interest. Kala asya deposit haka kayo interest, that means the interest will you kanong you in terms of compound interest. Kung kono at 8% per annum means uni ubri am. Let's say menta anong in simple term. Baik an batay pi. Let's say menta am nga haka account nga ngadon 10,000. 10,000 ngadon mo. Tingat tip man usnam min chisin am hapa bang ngadon kani ka 10,000. Kani 10,000 man usnam am ka interest ngayo kan no pra percent ba ngayo. Tala let's say kani kaday first year. Man usnam mo ang fi ka first year. That means first year ngayo kan no. Ngayo kan ni percent. Te let's say kani kanong kan no man cancel kini kum tu den sa kan no kan sa prospa. Te let's say ngayo prospa man usnam dinam day. Te tambah pihak use ka formula ayo compound interest mo nga batay pi pensa tu. Then what about the second year? Second year pa nganyo kano? Anyo dang 8%. Then how will you use that? You have to use that formula. Since baka pang compound interest ka formula kanong kuno. Then item ka first and foremost ngitip ika we know haka first year kayo kano ka amount principal. The kabaning kong do uning kong udon no hampar utat pisa kano ka amount ning kong do udan 10,000 ka principal amount udan kano udan 10,000. That means uning na yo EP dinam day. U EP pa ning kong zungi undi kano day 10,000. What about the next EP? But how will he get the next EP? In use a formula that is what first year. Okay, how will we work the first year? First year, can they go first year? Can they to the power you can mark to the power 1. Namal bali ka the first year takadama. You can in I power and an EP A equals to P is equal to 1 plus rate of interest. Then I will take a formula divided by 100. Tangi kanimo in I power that is first. Tangi kani. Because kadayo, system. Kani te kanday bikaju am kapisa, kaiban kala. Kani am kan kala karit, kata kadang kiyo kadang kiyo kisnam dinam day. Temen tahan yan to ayu. That is in to. In I ani 10,000. Principal amount kama kadit 10,000. They had 1 plus rate of interest ikano 8%. Dinam day 8% by 1. Dinam day to the power 1. That is 10,000. 10,000 that is 1. Kanong kano 100 day kaniyan. Nitip LCM kan sayo 100. Plus 8 to the power 1. To the power 1, kinang 1, kinang kumjuk ika answer. Kan mi kumjuk ang ka-answer. Ito nga remove no to 1. Power 1, lang ko bang ilang multiply. Ito ka lang 108. Then day, by 100. Ini bu ni nga lang cancel no. Then multiply yung A. That is ya 100, but 108. The 800, 08, 000, 001. Kanong ka-answer yung that means ka rate of interest ninyo kan no mo ka interest bangin nyo compound interest bangin nyo kan no ka first year kan day prosper along day tambah kan no ay no kan no ningkong kadon kan no kapisa kadon 10,000 the interest niyo kan no kayo prosper tekan mabit baka interest kanong long become jo kanong pair bet okay sementa sa ka second year pada. What about second year pada? How will we calculate the second year? Okay in simple uju formula that is unihi tangba kan pair no hai hang ni. Why? Kan day bika ju hikar kom tho ang ni. Tamba kan day no power you 2. Beli kan day power 2 na marba ka day second year. So takadaw kan day to the power 2. Kan mau katama because ka day second year kadaw kan day to the power 2. Ta kadang day dari ka subut day third year kan day to power 3. Day fourth year kan day power 4 kan mau. 1000 hani ngitip kan mi ano 100 hi. 108 to the power 2. What we can do is that nila ben tho no kom ni. But not confused. Okay, I hope so you may confused regarding all this. Tadi kamu hanya into 108 divided by 100 into 108. Makan dan arteli am. Tingila ba ni pom no ini 0. Kan mau ini pom tu kalau aplong bayar pom unia lakon. Buat saat 108 but 108 into 108. The 88 akan no 88 are 64. Then day 8 at 64, 8 at 64, let us 64, 8 0 at 0, times 6, 8 1 at 8, way are line. 1 8 at 8, 1 8 at 8, 1 0 at 0, 1 1 at 1. Kan kala 4, 6, 16, 1. Fi menta, ning kong ngayon no, trust pa. Menta ka jing pair din namday. Kaya menta ngini, how will we know but the difference? Intip kum no, whether ka rate of interest, ka remain kum jo ne, ka interest bang iyo, manusnem ka di kum jo na, wala sa kinya ka di kum jo na kum no. Mo, te hakan ni hingin alaban calculate na kum no. Ilaban no, no, ka difference, tang na kanihi. Okay, since bangin ayo ikito, yung dan kam watch today harum to taw so far. Tingin ayo ngitep, iping ayo baning kong do. Namar balengin ayo lightly kan mau. Ning kong do kapisa kadan bit tangkat no 10,000. The next break kakyo biang kakyo kan no 1,800 means haka uni usnem uzang onyo on the first year. Kani ka kapisa ba udan ning kong bet den ne udan kat to. On the first year uyo interest kat no uyo kat to. Next pada unyo interest kat no unyo 1166. Mentang ina ya banyo ke defense common defense ki ina la one whether uday nam day shisha unia whether uday yang uip ni ma e3 day kat no e3 day 1166 minus that is 10800 tingin ken kum no ni minus ikini 64 divided by 10800 times of 4 6 hani shin kelyang 16 sa 8 ni sa 0 tingin to show 0 tama mar kan day 864 what about next pade e2 minus a oh sorry e3 minus e2 did I take e2 e3 minus e2 a2 minus e1 so sorry can they 1,800 can they minus 1,000 or 10,000 that is hanggang tamsa plus pa then we can see baki ni kani ka equation bangiyo kani I mean kani ka AP bangiyo sorry kani ka AP bangiyo it does not form an AP ilaban ako baong hato kaway ta manta lapos ka next okay lapos sa bukod jong kani Menta yang lihat sa ina apa number 1 ina ada. So next that is number 2. Number 2 ko ang kuno ini. Write first 4 terms of the EP. To okay, kita ki first 4 term of an EP. First 4 term kamu ayu. That means kum A1 ya to jong A2, A3 but A4. Kini ki first term jong EP ma. That is EP. Okay. Kung first 4 terms of the EP when the first term A and the common difference are given as follows. Ini kalau lang to example bang nak batai pihak ke introduction. That is ang 2-1. To ko ang no the first 4 terms ang EP. To A di kano ini tablay 10 and udi uday 10. To EP jung unang kom no EP jung i kay ko formula mga batai fi A equals to A plus D A plus 2D A or A plus 3D. Okay. Teman tahu A ni tablay 10 A plus 10 plus D dari A plus U plus 10 hi day. There hani A plus 2 into 10 di A plus 3 into 10. Okay, oni day 10, ini 20, oni day 2, oni sorry yang thought 10, yang thought 10 to 10 at 20 plus 10 long 30, ini day 40 ngat pa. 10 at 30 plus 10 long 40. Okay. Temu kita ki EP jungi the first 4 term. KA kita ki first 4 term of an AP jungi kita KA they 10 20 30 but 40 tingin ang labang therefore the first 4 term of an EP are 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, the EP can mama this is the form of an EP not 10 20 30 but 40. Okay, I hope so please to around to the next card number 2 pagkari no. Okay, that's A equals to minus 2 and D equals to 0. Okay, sementara ni ito A we know A di kat no EP 1 EP jadi minus A ngin thwa A sha benar kumar A plus D dengan formula sha dapat ialah A plus 2D but A plus 3D. Okay, sementara ni what 4 term to A ngin ito minus 2 and D minus 2 plus D di kat no 0 minus 2 plus 2 to 0 kani minus 2 plus 3 into 0. Okay, I hope so pimna keluar ada orang tu it's not hard for you teman-teman ni kan utun sa sam kam no sa minus ben 2. Okay, teman-teman pati hanin thos kono ada minus 2 then minus into plus kala ayo kena minus the 2 minus 0 sa kano sa 2 hi damde multiplication then 2 into 0 sa 0 the 0 minus 2 sa kano minus 2 hi same goes for this one. Okay, I I hope so bisa tu mentah. Ni nilai EM. Ko common difference okay day M0. Day M0 dengan minus into minus long you. Ni minus iki. I mean A2 minus A1. Cannot forget about that minus. A2 minus A1. Kada you. Day 0 hi. Day nanti. Kada. Kemudian kita akan check kan maka tu formula common difference bang albat AP. Therefore the first term of an AP are apa yang macam ni AP common difference kan I D equals to A2 minus A1. The A2 ni di kan A2 di minus 2 dan minus dengan jong ru A1 dan minus tu minus into minus day you day plus the 2 minus 2 plus 2 long ano long z ru. Okay, tekala day kat kamu ijong ni day nam day. Tementa day number 3. Number 3 pat kadai kamu number 3. Number 3 kadai kamu day A equals to 4 D equals to minus 3 equals to 4 D equals to minus 3. Okay, the A mentang latap AP di kat no AP jong iman 4 plus 4 plus minus 3 ringin I biang 4 plus kano 2 minus 3 kan ma be hani day 1 day 2 3 and so on kan saya no 4 plus 3 minus 3 kuntu. Okay, tingin po no tingin ni way tricky signs before like plus into minus 1 minus that is 3. Therefore 2 3 are 6 plus into minus long minus 6 comma tingin ni 4 plus into minus 1 minus 3 into 3 long 9. Okay, that is 4 hangin sa sakano 4 minus 3 sa 1 4 minus 6 sa sakano minus 2 di hadian 4 minus 5 sa sakano minus 5. Then they come to pala. I hope so piece to ikan ni look properly mentahang ni but ning kong kidi positive ki hiya siya negative day the common difference ki ning minus kilaan 4 or A2 minus A1 1 minus 4 sa sakano minus 3 the A3 minus A1 the minus 3 kan sami u plus day minus sami plus that means kan sami u minus 3 there. I hope so piece to ikan ni kan ni kala day I'll show you that if kuma d equals to in simi uni pon ni mo A3 minus A2 kan long kan A3 jadi minus 2 dan minus hanya 1 minus 2 minus long plus that is minus 3. Tikla ada ka answer jom. Okay, the next number 4 the A equals to minus 1 D equals to 1 divided by number 4. A equals to kan no E equals to minus 1 D but equals to 1 divided by 2. The AP jong ni dekat no AP jong ni dekat no AP jong ni day minus 1 plus u 1 divided by 2 and then nai biang minus 1 plus 2 1 by 2 kan ma be ikan ni next kan day minus 1 kan ni ka formula kan ma be no dia thop ma pisia pia kelumar that is plus u3 1 by 2 to uni ala men cancel ma be direct that is ni minus 1 comma dia uni in the form of u kala long ni kan ma kala long in the form of u ni have in the form of u LCM ni 1 tingin tip ni 281 the 1 divided by 2 so the 2 hide the 2 1 are 2 minus 2 plus 1 kan sa kung 2 unim dan sure minus into plus long u long minus then am day they can meet you so sorry equal man that is kung 2 the minus to plus minus that is 0 kan make answer jung ni ini in the form of LCM ni ro the LCM at lupan di 2 dia ni 3 1 are 3 in sa 3 the mohon kan ma bukan 3 no then in the 2 in dash ni 2 plus 3. Okay, I hope so piece to ekato ini kita basic minus into plus the minus okay minus sign dengan I 1 divided by 2 is 0 minus into plus long minus that okay sign plus sa 1 divided by 2. I hope so apply so 2 are wrong to the next simple number 5 number 5 pan number 5 pan di number 5 day A equals to minus 1.25 D but equals to 0 minus 0.25. Okay, the solution jungi thought minute EP hang ni tak dekat no A jungi dekat no A jungi di minus 1.25 A di minus 1 point di minus 1.25 plus U plus D that is minus 0.25 then again biang minus 1.25 plus 2 minus 0.25 again minus 1.25 plus mana sini mah 3 minus 0.25. Okay, teman-teman ini thought sini 1.25 minus mah tihadian ini way tricky sign but naik kumar 25 plus into minus long minus 0.25 ini sa minus 1.25 plus 2 ayu can multiply ya ini 0.25 2 5 0.5 ro to 2 to 5 are 10 to 2 or 4 5 to 0 are 0 0 point u the plus into minus long minus 0.50 only way minus 1.25 plus into minus class minus 3 3 pada 0.25 to 3 3 5 akan no 3 5 are 15 15 to 3 are 6 7 that means 0.75 0.75 okay ayo ni di first kan mada thok ni bhinak pluma ni di e2 ni di e3 ni di e4 okay the minus 1.25 uni pada minus minus u minus 0.25 minus u minus minus long u long plus 0.1 seperti uni u minus 0.25 kemudian sa akan no 10 near 5 near 1.5 minus 1.50 kemudian sa akan no nanti 1.25 0.50 para minus kan sa answer ni kan minus tamangin plus iki 1.7 oh sorry 1.75 1.7 u 75 dan mi biang minus i minus long minus long u minus long plus tambah usai no ni u minus 1.25 into 0.75 then 8 1.80 kepada EP jungi therefore the EPR minus 1.25 minus 1.50 but minus 1.75 but minus 1.80 the thought itu ma okay tinggal apa second next question that is number 3 ko angum no nam ta kini following EP write the first term and the common difference te kani ka along opposite ik even ni mentan ni habat ni habat yo ni nam dai and ni ayo lupa yo e but yo di mentan habat yo yo unia but yo difference then dai tinggal siyang kunoy kanya common difference number 3 andi hani ma I hope so clear iman number 3 number 3 1 number 3 1 kadi kuno a question 3 1 that is 3,1 minus 1 minus 3 then I dot okay that means kan ikalong infinite okay ketam juga the solution in I kuno teman tahu e ngatik lupa kan the what ngatik lupa di kano di 3 what about d pada d di kuno ang p ke formula a2 minus a1 remember you can ika formula if you can mau you can ika formula kanong easy for you ban calculate okay I hope so kaya so thu kata teman tangan ang you a2 minus a1 di a2 hani di kano a2 ni ngitap di 1 minus u minus 3 okay 1 minus 3 sa minus 2 means udi jungi di kano udi dai therefore in ong no therefore the kat kom ka jingkali ko ong no for the following EPs write the first term and the common difference therefore the first term a is equal to kano 3 and d that is the common difference equals to kano minus 2 okay ni pas connect that is number number 2 pada kali kuno kajing kali minus 5, minus 1, 3, 7 and so on. Solution in kin kuno very easy gani dai. E nak terlupa. E tu ni first term kan mau ben. We want 1 A1 kamu first term ben. That is minus 5 and udi undi kuno E2 minus A1. Okay, E2 minus A1. If you check kami kini ki way ru la benek kuno A3 minus A2 kemudian ni nak ben ong nak ni A3 di minus 1 hadin A2 di kat no A2 di udan OA dan minus hadin dan 1 tapi hani mentah minus tu minus ni minus 2 di nandai kita ben check kum tu ma okay nama kita deng kita gibam nong stream jadi chemistry ni have on therefore they are not equal okay kita ben check kum tu ru hani A2 di kat no A2 kita beli minus 1 udan minus saja minus 5 A1 that is minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 plus 5 that is plus 4 okay, but therefore the first term is minus 5 and the common difference is 4. Laban to tama. Mentangin po sa next that is number 3. Number 3 part kadai kuno kajingkali. Number 3 kadai 1 divided by 3, 5 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3 which is 13 divided by 3. Okay, and so on. Solution jungi kadai kuno nak terlupa. UE jungi dekat no E jungi 1 divided by 3. We already know. A1 kan mabi undi be first term bet. No? And then difference between you A2 minus A1 nila ben check kan auto lan nila ben check na kiwi ru kat ba pimon komentar ko check nang ni ko macam A4 minus pensim yo ni ba he do sya ubah red pin ke minus kum tama kan ma pensim yo ni utam bana sya khamat pin minus yo bana sya po okay kan ma ma te A2 dekat no A2 di 5 divided by 3 minus u 1 divided by 3 hani LCM ni di 3 ni 5 minus 1 that is 4 divided by 3. Okay, I hope so. Class so mentah. Mo common difference ang hindi ka no 4 divided by 3. Then you put connect, that is number 4. The thought more, you can the first term. You can have a thought 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9, and so on. Solutions you can know. We at lupa A A first term. Therefore the first term is 0.6. Difference between E2 minus E1. E2 jungi dikat no 1.7 minus AU 0.6. Kemudian minus ikini kan mau kan ni long easy. Jimbe 1.7 fin buah kaju 0.6 dan saas kan no ni saas 1.1. Common difference jungi 1.1. Okay, I hope so piece 2 ekato. Teman-teman apa second next, that is the question number 2. Tekan mau ben thoi ikan ni. Therefore the first term is 0.6 and the common difference kan mau ben mo je kan common difference is 1.1. Okay, very important. Tingin po second next, that is number 4. Question number 4. The question number 4 ko ang kumuhingi, which of the following are APs? What nakini kiyap yo ko ang no, which of the following nakini kideki APs? So if they form an EP, find a common difference and write 3 more terms. So ko ang no, ko ang nakini kini kita paro am, ko ang kanu kadai ka AP. Might be one of them kimday, okay? Might be some of them kimday ki AP, okay? So how will we check that? That mo kan mau first kabadai ko important do in check ka common difference ki. If they form an EP means that kini kideki AP. Ko ang no, find the common difference. You have what a common difference. That common difference okay ulong yasrim. Obviously it is an EP din day. That common difference okay umlong yasrim. Unong kumno da umlong subu ngayo 1. Da ba lo kim yo 1 that means ngila ang bakai ba day ra UEP. To ko ang lada day UEP ko ang kumno and write 3 more terms. That means kini kita no 1 2 3 4. Din day tiki ang biang sa thought sa likely kita. That is another, that is number 4 5 6 hado 7 term. Jangan pin UEP ko no finne kan ni. Okay, number 4. Number 4 1. Tekan number 4 1 tadi kuno. Number 4 1 kadai 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Teman-teman first and foremost ni hapit whether kita EP. Tekum no in tip first kan mau bet ni check ke common difference ongki. Mau kum no bingin check kan mau ya ka common difference ongki in check bet. In tip sisian bingin check common difference ongki ada kilong equal tengah laban ong baki deki udah UEP. Dengan sim E2 minus ngap check baru khat mang ini ben check tong kuma check sheet kuma sheet thok tuman kapor minus E1, that is E2 di kanu E2 di 4 minus EU minus 2 di ka ngiyok kanu answer ni ngiyok 2 then dai and check biang A3 minus E2 di A3 jong di 8 minus 4 which is 4 tang nang tu platet whether kadai nam di ka common kadai nam dai AP hani the shisian ba second term ula wrong dai re ummi re utu the mean therefore kanin ong therefore in ong no therefore their common difference are not the same. You know, hence they do not form an EP. Can mau that he's in la wrong he day ba ar ummi uju la ummi hiru tu day. That means kanum they u EP. Always remember that. How will you know whether it's an EP or not? Check back ka common difference okay. Once ka common difference okay kala wrong, that means flat lupa. Claim the go for the flat lupa bakalong kumno. It is not an EP. Let me put second next number 2. Number 2 kadi kumno question. I hope so here iman. Number 2 pada kadi kumno. Number 2 kadi 2 kadi 5 divided by 2. 3, 7 by 2. They could not check first and foremost always the common difference. The common difference I want to d bit more. A2 minus A1, which is no A2 to be 5 divided by 2 minus A1 day 2. Jangan ingin what come no can mangin what LCM. The LCM hanin dekat no di 2 the 5 minus 2 are dan 1 am ni dan A kan ma dan 1 that means 1 into kan belong 2 1 2 tinggal rasni 2 4 kala 1 divided by 2. Okay, then you check the next the A2 minus A3 minus A2. So sorry, A3 haning itu kan no A3 3 minus A2 di kan no 5 divided by 2. LCM jeng unmi ujui that is 2. Then in dan 1 dan 2 tinggal multiply sejong baru 3 into 2 long 6 thought direct with mom 5 kan mi ano 1 divided by 2. Kalau ada nan dia kata. So let's just check one more. What if kanum day? what if ma E4 minus E3 mangi dan haru E4 am tak ada what bit ma ada bandai yo tingin siam 7 divided by 2 then day minus 3 which is equal to kan no ni 2 hi 7 minus 3 to are 6 there 1 by 2 therefore ni labang ko no ikini difference labang since their common difference is the same hence it is in the form hence it is in the form of an EP. If it's in the form of EP, can mark along if the common difference D and if they form an EP, find a common difference D and U and write 3 more terms. The lightly term that is term U to can mark in only the first term, only the second, only the third, only the fourth. Now what's away? The fifth term. More into only fifth term. The fifth term jungi formula de no. Always remember fifth term the A plus EU hangin day A plus 4D kan madang yuat fifth term hangin day 4D. Okay, u ing latip hangin day kan no. U 2 4 u D jungi day 1 divided by 2. Tu ni buk ni ngalaban cancel start 2 dengan ngalaban thought direct 2 plus 2 which is equals to 4. Okay, u fourth term jungi day kan no mat day 4. Do you see something hangin pattern? Day 2 3 4 dia nampak untuk meet next on meet day in the form of U next but untuk meet in the form of a fraction. To keep out what light term tama. Then it's a sixth term dekat no 6 terms ini pada 6 terms ini dekat no 6 terms ini day A plus 5D kan kamu ingin nak terbit 2 plus 5 1 divided by 2 which is equal to kan no 2 plus 5 1 5 divided by 2 dan ni what U kan what LCM that is 2 dan 2 hang ni in have multiply strong to 2 of 4 plus 5 okay that is kan no 9 divided by 2. PE something hang ni. And the 5 divided by 2 siya po UA. O denominator ulang bit kumjo. PEM. And UA pair ni dun 5. Then 6. 1 sa 7. 8. 1 sa 9 divided by 2. Tingnan natin lupa hang ni day 4. Hang ni next on UA 5. So let's just write this. Since we already know tamang ihap ya 10 pa din mo. Namal bagi pa EM. 7 term pa din. 7 term equals to A plus 6D. That is 2 plus 6 into no 1 divided by 2 ni cancel when sa kat no 2 plus 3 which is equal to 5 kumbang ala ong fi kumot day hence the 3 kumno ong hence and 3 more terms hence the next 3 terms are you 4 9 divided by 2 but 5. Okay, so done. I hope supply so to wrong to the next info is number 3. Number 3 ko ang mga jingkli ni number 3. Number 3 pa kaday minus 1.2, minus 3.2, dino a, minus 5.2, minus 7.2 and so on. The menta conjuring ya black no ya watch a common difference. After we're done with the common difference, what we're going to do in sa what say ki so what kita whether we dan kam ngi picture common difference. The common difference that is D and strawberry E2 minus E1 E2 hangi dekat no E2 ngitip dekat no E2 day minus 3.2 minus udun minus sama jong saya bracket 1.2 the answer jong kan dekat no the minus into minus ngitip dekat no in tricky signs balik kumar plus 1.2 kita kena sini ya I hope so here imat then kena ni minus 3.2 baru plus 1.2 dia in sa minus 2 sa 0.2.0 kan dia answer minus since udah minus m tengok answer ni kan dia no minus 2.0 or you could even write just 2 also just same one okay this bit the point and probably 2.0 next putting in chimso a3 minus e2 which is equal to kan no e3 really minus 5.2 I hope so if you're confused regarding ya kan ya 5.2 dia minus udah minus jong 3.2 dengan wing shaky signs kan mau bet the minus into minus long plus 3.2 it's equals to kan no 5.2 minus that is 3.2 dan sasa 0 yan sasa 2.0 minus tinggal lupa kalau ambil ka answer ni then let's just check one more since pingla dan haduk put term de a4 minus a3 which is equal to kan no minus 7.2 dia kan kalau minus 5.2 which is equal to kan no 7.2 plus 5.2 which is equal to kan no nak lupai kan sambil tunjuk kan minus kan mau 5.20 salah satu IM kami IM tunjuk therefore kan ini nak ambil angkum no kembali thought syakmat therefore kan angkum therefore their common difference is the same hence it is in the form of an AP the thought kata mah kalau dah in the form of AP kan mau ngihap lek kum no ngihap buat dekat A dekat fifth term and then dekat sixth term but dekat seventh term ke fifth term in what kum no A plus U 4D which is equal to kan no A dekat no A di minus 1.2 the plus 4 D dekat no D minus 2.0 okay teman-teman ni awak check ni awak check A ki sign sebenarnya nak clue mar that is minus 1.2 plus into minus long minus 4.0 into 2.0 into 4 0 are 0 point yang I 4 2 are 8 in I point hadin long hi ka ju hi whatever is easier for you kan mi kan no 8.0 minus plus long minus tingin niyo kan no ka answer ni minus into minus long plus tingin ni kan check let me take another page okay so that can not yakan confuse mas okay man calculate kan ni okay just wait na minute okay tangan sim betul-betul kan nak keluar ini minus 1.2 but minus 8.0 minus long plus answer pada minus ni salah satu ni 9.2 okay ka answer ni 9.2 the next then comes away with sixth term equals to kan no A plus kum no 5D kan mau be formula it's very easy 1.2 plus U 5 minus UD dekat no 2.0 ka answer kan ni kan no minus 1.2 plus no minus ni minus 5 into 2.0 into 5 no 5 0 are 0 5 2 are 10 to 1 m 9 point hang that means ka answer kan ni no 10.0 the minus into minus 1 plus then I will minus near minus that is 1.2 kan ma ben bukat kum point bet ma fnya basic ki teman minus minus kita beli plus sa satu here ni sa u so 1 then I point hang ni ma kan ma you point don't be confused regarding the point that means answer kan ni minus kan ni kan no minus 11.2 okay next thing comes sa 7 term tengah long tu that is A plus U 6D which is equal to kan no we is dekat no is minus 1.2 plus 6 into kan no minus 2.0 which is equal to minus 1.2 plus into minus 1 minus 6 into 2.0 dekat no 2.0 into 6 6 0 are 0 2 6 are 12 point hang ni kan dekat no 12.0 ini di minus but we minus 1.2 di ni sa 2 ni sa 3 13.2 minus ini ma answer okay I hope so like so to minus 13.2 therefore the APs are the next three APs are kan in batai to 9.2 kung mabingi ato kaway okay the next point sa number 4 pa tadi kuno ka jingkali number 4 ada ini minus 10 minus 6 minus 2 2 that is that solution yang kan kuno kan mawit common difference in kong that is D equals to E2 minus E1 where E2 di kat no tilada pis ngo baka long bla 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 kaju kasya forward mai ka video okay the minus 6 then ni minus ni the minus jong 10 equals to kat no minus 2 minus 1 plus 6 then plus 10 which is equal to kat no 6 minus 6 plus 10 long kat no plus 4 you already know that then teman tangan sim sawe that would D and sim yang E3 kan thought the common difference minus A2 A3 dekat no minus 2 dan minus lonjong ini minus 6 dan lonjong ka answer jeng ikan iyo minus 2 minus long plus 6 the minus 2 plus 6 as kan no 4 la ya lupa tu common difference day tak ada kumju dengan chu cancel away part A4 minus A3 actually dengan kan itu actually la long tambahnya chu E sampai kita ada 4 term okay that is 2 A4 dekat 2 dan minus lonjong dan minus 2 equals to 2 minus 2 minus 1 plus 2 kelas sasa kan no sasa plus 4 hidai tengok ke common difference ni dekat no the thought kata bangala ong pin batai teman tasen di order no infinity ke fifth term dekat no ke fifth term sangki kan mau ban kan ni ke formula 4D which is equal to kan no we day minus 10 then plus 4 into kan no D dekat no plus 4 Okay, don't be confused. That is minus 10 plus 4 are 16. The answer can be no here, can be 6. Okay, take a 6 term but there. A 6 term in chim no a plus u 5d, which is equal to no minus 10 plus 5 into 4 equals to minus 10. The plus 5 4 are 20, which is equal to 10. Okay, the PEM difference okay kita kio so tinggal at next kan mi 14. PEM memang common difference okay di 4. So obviously can mi em sao can tam then they menta next that is 7 term. 7 term kali no a plus 6d. Wada pi kwa bakan kada kas imang budget the ordinary you can just write that way. Okay, tambah try and complete bit berkom thought but namar bapenya sha on marks mo. That is 4, which is equal to kata pinang practice kani ka jengkhen ka shu ie tama kata pinang practice kata pinang sumtho. Okay, dimenta kan sa so 14. I hope so guys to around to the next number 5 pakade kuno number 5 kade in the form of root mo jukul ma dari in the form of root same way only in calculate 3 plus 2 root 2, that is another 3 plus 3 root 2 comma dot. Okay, tinggal ada 4 term. Tinggal ni ayu in common difference in kuno, that is d equals to a2 minus a1. Same way only we calculate, no difference. Tinggal sim kuno ua hangi ua2 dekat no 3 plus root 2. Okay, 3 plus root 2. They only do a kenal ada minus dan a1 day 3. Kemudian calculate hangni. So what do you see hangni? Since udah plus hangni, uni mod kidang kom jo. Jadi kilang kom jo. The plus into uni plus dan ikon plus into minus lang yo long minus ka answer jengin sa kan no plus root 2 tangkom tu kam area the a3 minus a2 which is equal to kan no a3 hani 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, the next minus eu 3 plus root 2. Okay, ini pet bahang ni papa calculate ikan ni kendet pi keluar pet bah uno dengan plus m ni uni minus 3m uni bo uni ngalak ban cancel no plus into minus long minus udan uni 2 uni day uni plus uni day plus the 2 plus hani ni dan 1 denam day unsa kan no hamni unsa 3 eu 3 root 2 denam day 3 root 2 parlang check bah. Did I make a mistake? Oh, so sorry. Okay, minus into plus minus in I have bracket come to ba even I have bracket unia can mangin I have bracket unia then I bracket tikin in wing shaky signs we feel like kumar. Okay, nampak dia ban cancel. Okay, dia ban I have bracket, so sorry. 3 plus eu 3 plus 2 root 2 can map I have bracket, that is minus into plus no kala minus 3 minus into plus kala eu minus root 2. Okay, which is equal to kat no hani equals to kat no man hani uni unlong uni bo uni dengan cancel no ala am tang la wing and ki bracket can mau hapor by pito ni ki sum can mau to always put them in a bracket since borok kidan nakajong kidan am udan am sign ngajong makiru tadaw always put it in a bracket. Okay, tementa uni bo uni plus into minus long eu minus then and they hani dan 2 hani dan idan eu dan 1 the 2 plus 1 sa sakano sa 2 minus 1 sa sano sa 1 dun sa root 2 then and they means dan inak man yo dan 1 hi m then and they parlo ma number 5 tadi kamu 3 plus root 2 3 plus 2 root 2 3 plus 3 root 2. Wajah kemar of the e roots is the same way he calculate difference between shim jong way a2 minus a1. Okay, since pit bahama the fiana pit ba 3 plus root 2 ni minus Dibin na bracket ni siya 3 laban sin bo di plus ni tek plus into minus ni plus long yun long minus ide laban am ai kup turu kadwa pis mo thok ma pi to okay tingin laban wing shoy ki signs ba finat kumar no minus 3 dibin ta uni de yo di plus dan edin ula siya pin pya do plus to mo tingin laban minus ikini den dai te uni minus into plus long yun long minus to uni bo ni laban cancel ben unsa sang kan ujung answer sang root 2 den dai sang root 2 the next in cancel kom no a3 minus a2 a3 jong dekat no itu day 3 plus 2 root 2 dan minus hang ni in I have bracket kan mama in I have bracket since kita dan nakajang kisain kita kala kisain root 2. Okay, I hope so kita tu around tu dengan pek antok nan shispa 3 plus 2 root 2 min wang kisain minus the plus long minus 3 minus the plus long minus root 2. The answer jong kan mi kum no pet unia bo unia ngalaban cancel lagi dan nanti plus into minus long minus. Okay, Tapi uni rung ala. Belai, nama uni dan iya kamat dan iyo dan 1. The minus into plus long iyo minus. The 2 minus 1 sa kano sa 1. Dia dah ngatok root 2 bet. Kamut kumzu hi am. Urut tengah mla araban cancel iki. Ngamla ara sana di kenmar sana di multiplication ngalaban wing no iki root. Nada plus minus ken mangim jula dan wing iki root. So ngin simtang common. Dia unsa kano unsa 1. Okay, unsa 1. Dia kan ni dam danih khang itip di 1 hiam. Tetang nang tong ina atip pakai mot kan iki ep jungi kan sala man form. Tang pang isa away. That is a4 minus a3. a4 jungi di kan no 3 plus 3 root 2. In I be ha bracket kan mau 2 root 2. Okay. Kan nang kumno ka answer jungi 3 plus 3 root 2. Ikini bring kam I bracket naman hakmat dan sign a din nang. The minus into plus long minus 3 minus into plus long minus 2 root 2, which is equal to kan no uni ba uni ngatul pala asya cancel. The uni ba uni ngala 3 minus 2 that's a 1. Then dito sabi root 2. Okay, therefore gila ba talk to ba IP therefore kide the common difference is the same. Hence kini kila form you EP. Tingin what the way 6 term siya. 6 term di kumno 6 term day in shim a plus kumno 5d. The ingitep a di kan no a di 3 plus 5. Common difference di kan no root 2. Kan mau kumno ngin calculate di kan ni kan mau kan long be kumne kan long kumno kan ni kam de ka ba a okay. Tingin shim bet hang ni. Did I make a mistake? Oh, fifth term siya nga di banwa di siya manay deng. Nakakamot na fifth term. Tangan totoo siya po ama. The 3, mau di fourth mo, fifth eh. Dia, minta 5 into 1 lang, 5. The 5 root 2. Tumbol uni de, 6 term jong. Ni. Okay. The next pa de, minta sa fifth term ni mo. Kan ma uni bantok siya jong siya. Uni bantok po jong 2 6 term. Ta, de, equals to a plus 4d. Which is equal to kan no, 3 plus u, 4d. 4d day. 4d dekat no 4 root 2. Okay. Then talk no 3 plus 4 root d. Okay. I hope so bisa tu mentang. Tapi ita mang niro. Hang idam dan idan 1, idan 2, 1 sa 3. Next so 4, 5, 6 and so on day. The 7 term yatil pa day. 3 plus 6 root d. Tang ini pen i pada. Ta, kung bakala ang question pen i kama. The a plus u 6d which is equal to kano 3 plus 6 into root d. Equals to kan no 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay, I hope so that's true. I don't do it. Tingin pa isa ka next. That is ka number 6. Ka number 6 kadi ko no question. Kadi 0.2, 0.22, 0. Lightly to 2, 0. South link like 2. The next ada kadi UEP. The next one is away 0. Kan like 2, something like 2 day. Tingin check pada udah nam day ma. Kenang yang what okay difference okay. That is a2 minus eu a1. A2 jungi di kan no. A2 jungi di 0.22. Sorry, minus eu 0.2. Tingin kin tum logan how will we calculate this? Now minus okay. How will we minus it ni? Tingin shim 0.22 minus 0.0.2. That means hanin sa kan no 0 dam dang ikan mama. In the I0 but ni bangin minus sibit bensok. That is 2. Then 2 minus 2 sa 0.02. Tumok answer jungi kan mi ani 0.02. The next pa dia a3 minus a2 which is kan no 0.222 minus 0.22. Yan day. Tingin minus ikini yo nam yo kata. Tangin pa niya. 0. lightly 2 minus a 0. atli 2. Hang ni naman ikan ma thought 0 bet. Mi 2 0.0. Tatang lang ni ila ika answer jungi kadai kom no. Ka answer jungi kam dai. Ki mi ir ki chu ki a ki difference. They clam dak tho a kan dak kenchu. Pila al ni sa uni weru. Since bakala ong ngi ben pen i. Tikam ka answer jungi atlu pa kan sa mi 0.00 or 02. Okay, something like that. Okay. Data kada ila ben ong kom no. Therefore difference are not the same. Hence it is not in the form of NEP. Kung bato akabaning kong. Next ada as ka number 7. Okay. At number 7, kadi puno ka jingkili. Number 7 kadi 0, minus 4, minus 8, minus 12. Okay. The solution in kim no. Come with difference. You know what? Kim belak ka difference. That means belak ka sum jungi. Ila laban kin further. Okay. That is a2 minus a1. A2 jungi dikat no minus 4, minus u 0. I bracket presence ngitip. Minus to minus long u long plus. Sakan no. Ka answer jungi kan mi kan no pada minus to minus jungi long plus. Then the answer jungi kan mi pada minus 4. Really, since both of them has a minus, okay? Tekan mau sekali A3 minus A2. Tementang in A3 day minus 8. And I have bracket udan minus 4 kumto in thought ni mau. Tekan mau in check signs balik kuma minus 1 plus 4. Answer uhe way 8 minus 8 plus 4 sa kano minus 4 day them day. Kita mau tungin atik pakade AP. In kin pada mau sakaway. 3 minus A4 minus A3. That is A4 day minus 12 minus 1 minus 8 dan 1. Tengin wing show iki signs that is plus 8. There minus 12 plus 8 that's 1 minus 4. Them day. Tengin thought aku masih orang IP man kapwa thought ik tu kasi thought okay. And then tengin find A fifth term. Fifth term di kamno fifth term and find A plus 4D. A plus 4D ni kat no A di jongi di kat no minus or A di 0 so sorry plus 4 into D di kat no minus 4. Tengin sim kat no hang ni kan dai 0 plus into minus asa minus 4 are 16. Kan make answer jongi kat no minus 16. Kan mau ma the minus the data multiply kan make 0 kan the plus and minus kan make utau number hi this one the next bit is sixth term kan dai kam no A plus 5D which is equal to kan no 0 plus 5 into D di kan no minus 4 which is equal to 0 plus sorry plus into minus last no minus 2 5 4 20 kan make you minus 20 PM katam saw Tukang balong kum ni kan tam saw kan meet next kan meet ni atul pa minus you 24 7 term kan ni kam no A plus 6D which is equal to 0 plus 6 into D minus 4 the plus into minus long you minus into minus 6 4 are 20 ni atul pa minus 24 so therefore now the next term are kini ma the next three term are kadi kat tu ingin pun second next that is kan number you that is kan number 8 kan number 8 ko question pa kadi kuno kan number 8 kadai number 8 I hope so PE number 8 kadai kuno minus 1 divided by 2 comma minus 1 divided by 2 comma minus 1 divided by 2 comma minus 1 divided by 2 that Tentang si sempit nang ni. You should already know. Kani kan form ke EP. Why? Because all of the EP are the same. So obviously common difference ang kiro kinang kum so here. Then that is 0. Common difference ang kiro then it could be 0 or it could be anything. Then tambang ngitip man sa long 0 common difference. Kan maam na dikiju nang babaro ko common difference di kum no. Kan maam if di ben kan maam kata di ben tip kata sempit. That is A2 minus A1. The A2 jeng di kat no. A2 jeng di minus 1 divided by 2. The minus and I have bracket minus 1 divided by 2. In when check sign that is minus 1 divided by 2 minus the minus long you plus 1 divided by 2. Kang ni itu lupa LCM jengin dekat no unday 2 do 2 day the minus 1 plus 1. Answer jengin kan mi no kan mi 0 divided by 2 which is always 0 hi. Kan ma ila tu lupa si sempit nang tu. Tambah as formalities ni pindapat kong kajing ongka question di pawat iyo ni ma. Kan ongkom no that is A3 minus A2. Kadi kan no minus 1 divided by 2 okay minus 1 divided by 2 equals to kan no minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 kan mikum ju hi minus 1 plus 1 that is 0 hi then next is the thoughts of you A4 minus A2 or A3 kadi ka ju kan what tingin what no u 6 term to 6 term ni natin lupa unang kum no o 5th term unang kum no 5th term ni minus 1 divided by 2 hi to kum no 5th term by now hindi ben so thuk kan kum no ben kalong ka format no kanima that is A plus 4D. Ingin ito you A di kat no minus 1 divided by 2 plus 4. Then day then in I bracket u D di kat no D day 0. Then day which is 4 0 are 0 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 0. Then day the only the what LCM ya lupakan mi you minus 1 divided by 2 plus 0 sa mi you. So mi minus 1 divided by 2 then day regardless of however we calculate it. The number 6 pada 6 term. 6 term kan no A plus 5D which is equal to kan no minus 1 divided by 2 5 0. Then which is minus 1 divided by 2 5 0 0 hi. Then itu lupakan mi answer kan no minus 1 divided by 2 hi then already know. So I hope spesi tu ikut tu. Dekat 7 term lu penat kum ju hi ma. Then chupin AP A plus 6D which is equal to minus 1 divided by 2 plus u 6 into 0 kan kum ju minus 1 divided by 2 plus 0 equals to kan no minus 1 divided by 2. The same thing. We got the same answer only regardless. Then tinggal apa ongkom no therefore The next three terms are diki minus 1 divided by 2 here. Then all the next term, teman tang ini first number 9. Number 9 ko question kadi kuno number 9 pan. Number 9 question kadi 1, 3, 9, 27. Betul? Tetap ni kelak ben sutuk mentah 3 minus 2 sak 1. Kelak ben check nak niru 9 by 3, 9 minus 3 sak sakan no, 9 minus 3 sak 6. Tanang tu kelak ben sutuk mentah ka yuma. Tanpa will just complete our formalities. If you have that sense, common sense, mentah kelak ben use. Kumno tanam tu kelak sutuk ben lek kumno ngap ni pimene kumno ben calculate. Definition kuno mentah difference equals to a2 minus a1. A2 jadi 3, a minus 1 which is equal to 2. Then so next a3 minus a1 or a2, so sorry, that is 9 minus u minus 3. They got no 6 can meet. Then the tanang tu ngila lupa ba a ni minus a3 equals to 27 minus 9. Kan long kan no 27 minus 9 kan sa kan sa kan no mentah 18. Then tanang tu flat deban so tu ba uni dere a. This is not an u come dere in EP. We cannot form this since the common difference is not the same. Okay. In point second next that is number 10. The number 10 pat kumno. The question G number 10. Number 10 kadi A, 2A. Bit mo the pila tentang kita kena tahu E alphabet so kila keluar. Tapi mentang kila lupa hani ngak tu common difference kin long try kumjo then namdai. Hani dan iden 1 then namdai 1 2. They long kumno umi kumjo hani mi 5A 6A. Tanang tu pila den tu ba uni undai way. It is gonna form an EP. The difference equals to kat no difference ongi dekat no kan A2 minus A1. Where A2 dekat no 2A minus A. That is 1A pula bentuk lah ni ma. Dekat no 2 minus 1 sa no. Sa 1A. That means A hin thok. Then namde 1A lah ni ikat berpiman pula bentuk 1A lah ni pula bentuk A. The A3 minus A2 kan dekat no 3A minus 2A. The 3 minus 2 sa no 1A hi. That is A only. Then namde teman common difference ongi lah terlupa dekat no. Oh sorry, that is A. A3 equals to the 4A minus 3A, which is equal to A here. Then the common difference only they are the same. Hence, we can form an AP. Then they can form AP come no. Do there. Then after look come on AP. Since next only 5A, 6A, but 7A. Then what you A, your fifth term. AP, fifth term. We got no fifth term. A plus U, A plus 4D. Where A they got no, A the A plus 4A. D they got no, the A. Then sa kan no A plus 4A, which is equal to kat no. Undian dan idang 1, that is 5. Kum kram like yung mga kum ongay fi minta next day 5A. Next on the day 6A. Spitnya dia equals to A plus 5D, which is equal to A plus 5A. Kanong ka answer sini. At lupa kanong 6A. Then I hope so please to kun mo calculate kanya 7 term, which is equal to A plus U plus another 6D. Then unu A bit here unit 6A equals to no equals to 7A. Then I got the next three terms of the AP. Then point sa number 11. Number 11 kadi no, comma A2, comma A3, comma A4. So what about kaniro? Can you also or can no in the same format only ma hakazuk ka can how depend. How will you know whether it's an AP or not? Like I need to pimla ben oh because they after square the cube so do so 4. It's not like that, okay? Tingin effect know whether it is an AP or not, okay? So kani. You can need to pimla ben assume that is A2 minus A1. Then A2 we can know A square minus A. Then A square minus A. Where A square ngila ben A into A root. Then ngila ben in that form where ngila ben ong kum no. Ngila ben ong ba ngila ben sim comment am ni arngon in sim comment kum no. In sim comment do A, u E. Terang sim comment siya baru E. Unsa u E siya kan no. Pe uni idun atli. Then unsa u siya ni. E into kan no benlong A minus kan mau A into 1. Then into 1 A so long A am. Then A into 1 E am so long A. Then tingin talk to yo. The next day kan no A3 minus A2. Tikan ni kan long A3 minus A square. Then kan no A. A lightly kan dan. Tingin la sim kum no. Comment kan no tingin la sim siya bar. Ila sim A into A minus A into A. Where u common ngila macam ada kat no. Dan atli am ni uni ngila macam atli man A cube. Then A square so sorry. Where u on sa equation ni u minus 1. Tang uni ulang kumjo telada umlang kumjo ila terlupa bakal ni kadeke A. It is not an A. It cannot form an AP. Like since the common difference is not the same. Then I say next that is A4 minus A3. Then calculate kuno. that is a4 minus a cube equals to kat no tekan mi kum jo hi ngila mencim common difference unde 3 ngitem unde a minus 1. Okay, I hope so piso to ikan ya. Therefore, dak ong bakan ni kan form u kan form u ep dengan poin sekan number 12. Sekan number 12 kan dong kum no. Ni root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Tekan ni kum finwan dengan pet menta solution same only. Don't be confused. The same format only. Kum mangila ikiwi kum jo hinga. Difference only day a2 minus a1. Where a2 they kat no a2 they root 8 minus root 2. Teman hang ni kan no fila benda hang ni it's either finek kum no but not equal fila benda kum ni. Okay, nila ben wat u 8 nila ben shim nila ben wat u square root jong uma ninda na u common sa bat ang input u a input u bang di common sa 4 to u a u square jong u a u square jong u dekat no 8 that is 2 to 4 that is 2 2 atli kitu dan sabat ninda na sabat atli kitu kidan common ninda na sabat u a. Okay, ubah sa marway sa 2. Kan mang ini thok kum ni ma. Then sa u minus root 2. Teman ta kini ya la ben something. Kan mau ikini men believe ong yang pinong. Men kini ngila di saban cancel. No, we cannot cancel since tanda day multiply ngila ben multiply ki. Like day minus. Hang ni day 1, hang ni day 1. Then kan mi answer kum no kan mi kum ju hi regardless of what we do. Te kadaw kan mau ba uni di la kajong ngim laban ya minus ki. So, kadang ya penlong kumnong ya penlong equal lagi bagian ng something mengilaban cancel. Teman tanya lah because only day 2 uju root the uju root nilaban le. Dada day uju root kan bang yam julaban le okay. Yim la ban weng kumar okay. Teman ta only day 2 day 1. Then sa sakano 2 minus 1 sa root 2. Ishim common that is root 2 okay. The next a3 minus a2 kan long kumno 18 minus root 8. The same thing ini le uni hi uni ini kan 18 pada 18 2 u to 9 and 3 3 tu even bisa bar 3 root 2 pi menta uni sa sakano 2 root 2 ke 3 minus 2 sa sakano sa 1 that is nila man tho you root 2 bet tatana ni nila iba uni form and you nila man form ep na uni de since the common difference is the same that is ka way but not confused that is root 32 minus root 18 the root 32 in simkum no 32 that is 2 to 1 to 6 to 8 to 4 2 2. Tekan ma uni bo uni kan ma ki belong common art ki square ni ra na shabat and ubran sa ko mar ubabdan marway ni ra ngin bo no ngin bo bhu root dan udan atli day that means ngila ban sim kom no ngila sim common way nang ni way 2 nang ni that means 2 are 4 root u root 2 minus u 3 root 2 which is equal to root 2 hidden and day teman tang ngila ban wat iki ngila ban ko mo ong fi common difference day root 2 the hence is difference are same to katuma teman tang ngila ban wat way 6 term fifth term, sorry, that is a plus 4d, which is equal to no a di kat no jingi root 2 plus 4 root d di kat no root 2. Tekan mi answer kat no root 2 plus u plus 4 root 2. Is this the answer jingi? Kam de rama. Tekan man a nang ni since both of them have the common so ki de root 2 hidden nam de same on ni te pila am thok kam no and on you plus that is kan long u plus 5 root 2 or la man nek no kanya this one nila tek pa ba uni no 5 that means 5 ni ara at least barem tingne no 5 into 5 into 2 kanong den 5 are 25 into 2 long kano 50 that means undi root 50 okay la man thok kum ta means undi mi root 50 or la man bo in this way also it's whatever is you fi kasok ipima kan ma ba uni mo bingira sa ba di badan comment atli the 5 into 5 kan long the uni sa marway denam day that means uni uday way jong uni denam day ni yo uni root kum ni ba uday na umi na uni denam day to mo day root 50 okay the next kan is a 6 term kan day kum no 6 terms ni kan day a plus 5d which is equal to a day root 2 plus 5 root 2 kan here can come joy kan mi you natin ba kan mi 6 root 2 then day or la ban tok ko ong ngai fi 6 are 36 into 2 36 into 2 long kan no 36 into 2 long kan no to 6 are 12 to 3 are 6 3 are 6 70 that means root u root 72 or fi la ban tok ko whatever is easy for you okay the 7th term pada 7th term unde kam no equal kan no a plus 6d which is equal to kan no root 2 plus is 6 root 2 long kan no long 7 root 2 then I'm 7 root 2 or flam to no 7 7 are 49 49 into 2 long no 49 into 2 2 9 are 18 2 1 2 8 are 2 4 are 8 so sorry that is 90 that is root 98 the cái episode thua you can write it that way or come no cái episode thua okay I hope so guys so thua ikato the mentafin on come no the next 3 terms of an EP kiri kan no they come near root 50 root 72 and root 98 or you could say only root or 5 root 2 also okay think that place next that is the number 13 ma the number 13 pa kadi come no number 13 today root 3 comma root 6 comma root 9 comma root 12 the kaning na ju ken from ju ikan man ken same way only will calculate so how will we do this and sim d equals to kan no e2 minus e1 the e2 di kan no e2 jeng idai root 6 minus root 3 the hani ila ne same way then namdai in sim ayu LCM root 6 that is 2 3 Hang ni undan that means unsa kat tu bet. Temut hang ni LCM I mean u root jungi dekat no in thok kom no. In thok kom no hang ni pada kan mau. Ba we can do this since uni day root 2 into root 3. 2 3 are 6 then nam de kom ta. There uni on sami root 6 then nam de. Then minus eu since uni they don't have perfect square since the both of them are in root bet. Borok no kinan haka root then nam de. Then sa root 3. The PE something hang ni what do you see? But in both cases we have common the root 3 then I have bracket the root 3 into kat no belong un sa root 3 into 1 long root 3 then they the sa root 2 then I pen to ami you get confused that is unin sim common un sa root 3 the root 3 na ra sa bar the un sa 1 chapo then they we benang tam pa dia root 2 the minus uni la dan sa bar we bam dan hami root 3 into kat no belong root 3 into 1 that means minus 2 root I mean sorry root 3 into root 2 minus 1 can be a juhika answer that means difference no root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 1 I bracket that is next but e3 minus a2 a3 jungi no root 9 minus root 6 okay tingin thok no ikane same way only in sim 9 tingin la bandan 3 then they 3 are 9 then they 3 ne kom no since udan perfect square only then they perfect square 9 ni tingin ne kom no inyara no 3 into 3 okay or we can write 3 root 3 also same thing only the minus eu minus root 2 into 3 okay then tahang ni we can do the same only what will we do here ila ban le kom no ila ban sim eu sim common we belong common between them root 3 okay tangan thok bisini if not confused and thok rang ni root 3 ni di common then ang ni kani ma bracket la ka jong tingi common hang ni re root 3 then sa hang ni teman ta hang ni pada tingin sim kum no hang ni menta kan ma root 3 la don sa bar away we in thok sha po okay I hope so pisu thua teman ta hang ni root 3 don sa bar we bang ba thua minus root ka to ka di answer jong ni tash sen pet ang ni we already know ba uni de you common difference okay long kom jo okay tengah pilih sekarang number 4 pada a4 minus a eu e3 difference kan de eu root 12 minus root u root 9 kan equal to kan 12 pada kan 12 option 2 6 2 3 the 2 undak sabar in island ni ila benem no 2 undak sabar or we can do it this way also into root 2 into root u root 3 udah m the root 3 long minus ke a root u 9 root 3 into root 3 tak na bracket kum tu ma okay ba nak confused dengan sim common we bring e common root 3 inda na sabar hang ni we bela la sabar root 3 ara we bang sa root 2 into root 2 dang sa din dai tinggal am root 2 into root 2 root 2 into root 2 long kan no root 2 lai perfect square jong 4 din dai 4 la ni pila am root 2 into root 2 kat dapat sing thua the minus eu ni sa root 3 tapi entang ila i thua lu pasti sen pet ru ba uni de eu uni la am kum ni ru la am root 3 4 minus root 3 the ula long kum no therefore they are not the same kim long common din dai tinggal am ong kum no kini kim long eu therefore it cannot form an a t ingin point second next that is the number 14 okay the number 14 pak adik kum no number 14 kadai 1 square comma 3 square comma 5 square comma 7 square so kaning nek kum no kani pada kan mau ka same way only the d equals to kan no a2 minus a1 a2 jung ni kan no a2 day 3 whole thing square and lam thought 3 whole thing square ma adin thought minus I have bracket with 1 whole thing square. This one we can write with either this one 3 in 3 long to la am thok 1 into 1 long 1 here 3 and 9 minus 1 that is 8. Okay, then tasa only 8 3 minus 8 2 kan long kan no kan ya 8 3 jadi 5 into 5 di 25 la am thok be direct that is only 8 2 dekat no di root 3 square then make 3 and 9 the answer ni kan mi kan no 25 minus 9 nak sa kan no 80. This is pit lang to nga atat lupa ba uni dekat no uday kan no 25 minus 9 so sorry 25 minus 9 sa 16 to long kom jo la tam biang dai te nga atat lupa ba kani kanam dai ra dai te therefore it's not an EP, cannot form an EP since the common difference is not the same then therefore day 7 7 day 49 minus 25 sa kan no ni sa 24. Okay, so therefore the common difference is not the same so kanam form ka EP. Tekan number 15 next last kan ya square comma 5 whole thing square 5 square comma 7 73 kan ya ma that ini thok ni kam na ini same kum ju hi same way will calculate that is d equals to a2 minus a1 baik minta a2 ni dekat no 5 whole thing square and I kum to bracket I have bracket 1 whole thing square dia pila ban kum to pila ban ken kat ba pisung tho 5 5 25 minus 1 equals to 24 kalian minta au a3 minus a2 equals to kat no 7 whole thing square minus 5 whole thing square which is equal to kat no 7 7 are 49 minus 5 5 are 25 kan long kat no 24. Hisin pek lang to means only ulong form iyo o form AP din nanding la diban lupa hisin net lang to that is a4 minus a3 which is equal to kat no a4 jungi di kat no 73 direct back o a3 jungi di kat no o day 7 to the power 2 that is 73 minus 49. The 73 minus 49 long kat no 24 here. Then therefore kini ki form AP since the common difference is SU 24. Okay, then tangin nuat ke ka fifth term Penganum concentrate than ban le mo bajrong than kasam since we last to inga la le shakmat kunto you follow up ikatu jing tho the type in tho hima the fifth term they can know a plus 4d which is equal to kan no a they can know a jungi 1 square plus 4 d jungi they can know 24 the 1 1 are 1 hima 1 plus 24 lang kan no then calculate mo ni ap 24 into 4 4 4 are 16 to 4 8 96 look at no 96 plus 1 that is 97 term next term they can no 97 okay since 73 they perfect square jong away 97 also takada ungim na man tho show ma okay square na kom no okay there unin na kom no sorry 6 term jong hindi kom no a plus 5d which is equal to kat no 1 1 1 1 hi na lupa 5 into 24 which is equal to kat no 1 plus 24 into 5 24 into 5 5 4 5 are 20 2 5 are 10 plus 2 long 120 that is 121 they should plus back menta next 7 term pila ban le no should plus you 121 plus 24 back kan sami pila ban le kum taro or that way also you can do it whatever is comfortable for you tamakan ma fi din pin i pede nuang de ki kat kum ka mark song fi ma 5 for 145 kami tapi in the ken kami 145 7 term pila ban should plus back ki din nandai since common difference okay kadang plus kum ta kadang mi kadang plus mengina plus 24 ina plus kadang mi kum ta hi kum ju hi kan mi de a plus 6d which is equal to kan no 1 plus 6 into 24 6 into 24 lang kan no 6 4 are 24 2 6 are 12 13 14 144 plus u plus 1 kan mi tu boong 1 plus 144 which is equal to 145 you can do it that way or you can do it this way whatever is comfortable for you tekan ma pila ben simple term pila ben ong kum no pina ben ong a u a yin shim u a yin shim u ni u a yakini pila ban calculate kum no kan ka formula jong kan niru suppose kum mentang shim u a5 plus u a pila ban ong a5 plus u a ya u d pila ban le kum taru lan ni a6 plus u a u d kum le mentan a6 dekat no a6 ni 121 plus u d ni mi 145 I hope so pila ban so tho you can do it either this way or if you have use only formula ro kat ba pimon there's always a trick when you use only pem ulong kampong na pada de kom tho jungi they can mama you can do it either this way or this way whatever is comfortable for you okay ina po siya bakot so kanika exercise 5.1 then ni nilai part ikan next exercise kan next part ka top kan next part ka video that's exercise 5.2 and ada pista na ikan ni video unam klik ban like share comment bakam join and subscribe and banum klik press ka bell icon if you miss ikan video updates mo thank you